Welcome inside one of the most advanced factories on Earth. Konstayu, the Tesla Gigafactory.
This engineering giant is so large, it rivals the size of entire cities. Designed for maximum speed and precision, everything inside works like a machine within a machine. At full capacity, this factory can produce one completed Tesla every 30 seconds.
The process starts with raw materials arriving from around the world. Aluminum, steel, and battery components.
Massive stamping machines shape the body panels with thousands of tons of force.
Robotic welders assemble the frame with perfect accuracy, eliminating human error. Automation handles nearly every stage of production, ensuring speed and consistency. But the real heart of every Tesla begins here, inside the battery cell production line. Each cell is assembled with microscopic precision, forming the foundation of Tesla's performance.
Individual cells are grouped into modules, forming the structure of Tesla's battery pack.
A cooling system is added to keep the battery at optimal temperature under extreme loads.
Every battery pack undergoes strict testing to ensure safety and long-term durability.
With the battery ready, assembly continues with the vehicle's lightweight aluminum chassis.
The body shop is home to hundreds of coordinated robots, crafting the vehicle's frame.
Robots weld hundreds of points with sub-millimeter precision, ensuring structural strength.
Rigidity tests guarantee the frame meets Tesla's demanding safety requirements. Robots carefully install doors, hoods, and body panels with perfect alignment. Next, the body enters a dust-free paint environment, one of the cleanest rooms in the factory. Robotic sprayers apply an even, flawless paint coat with exact thickness every time. After painting, the body is baked in a curing chamber to harden and seal the finish.
Specialists inspect every surface for imperfections, ensuring a flawless exterior.
With the body finished, it travels to general assembly, where thousands of parts come together.
Teams begin installing wiring, insulation, and internal components. A robotic lift precisely positions the entire dashboard in one motion. The centerpiece of every Tesla, its signature touchscreen ploin, is fitted and calibrated. Seats are lowered into the cabin with robotic precision, secured in seconds. Electronics, sensors, and control units are connected, giving the vehicle its intelligence. The completed battery pack is lifted and bolted to the chassis horn, the car's energy source. Next, the motor and powertrain are installed, forming the core of Tesla's performance.
Robots attach the suspension system that keeps every Tesla stable and smooth on the road.
High-performance brake systems are fitted next, essential for Tesla's instant torque. High-voltage lines are carefully routed to power the battery, motor, and onboard systems.
Thermal management components regulate temperature, ensuring optimal efficiency.
A full glass roof is lowered and sealed in place with flawless precision. Weather sealing ensures the cabin stays quiet, airtight, and protected from the elements. A robotic arm fits and torques the wheels to exact specifications for perfect balance.
Tesla's software is installed. giving the car self-driving capabilities and smart features.
Diagnostic test every system, reset, sensors, cameras, motors, and electronics. Autopilot cameras and sensors are calibrated for lane keeping, detection, and navigation. Fully assembled doors are mounted with exact alignment for perfect fit and sound.
Technicians connect the electronics that power windows, locks, and audio systems.
The trunk and Tesla's signature frunk are assembled and sealed.
Interior finishing brings the cabin together, from trim panels to soft-touch materials.
The steering wheel is aligned and locked in with perfect calibration.
High-efficiency LED headlights and taillights are installed and tested.
Windows undergo calibration to ensure perfect sealing and smooth movement.
A final interior inspection checks every detail, from stitching to panel alignment.
All electronic systems are tested: navigation, cameras, Bluetooth, and displays.
For the first time, the Tesla powers on drone, confirming the entire system is alive.
Laser systems measure wheel and body alignment to ensure the vehicle tracks perfectly. Robots scan panel gaps down to fractions of a millimeter, a key quality metric. Inspectors review the undercarriage, checking mounts, cables, and protective shielding. Cooling, brake pressure, and climate systems are automated tested for performance. A robotic charger verifies the charging port and high-voltage connections. Tesla's 8 camera modules undergo vision system calibration for autopilot. Radar and ultrasonic sensors are tested for distance accuracy and obstacle detection. Safety systems activate, including airbag modules and occupant detection sensors.
Inside an acoustic booth, microphones detect unwanted vibrations or cabin noise.
A water tightness test ensures no moisture enters the cabin or electronics.
A dynamic platform simulates real road vibrations to test suspension durability. Brake systems undergo repeated pressure tests to ensure perfect stopping power. Headlights are aligned to ensure visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. Each wheel is balanced for a smooth, vibration-free driving experience. The battery and powertrain undergo rigorous high-voltage safety checks.
The car leaves the main assembly line, fully built and ready for testing.
Detailing teams polish the exterior to achieve Tesla's signature glossy finish. Wheels undergo torque verification to guarantee safety at high speeds. Battery cooling circuits are tested under load for efficiency and stability. A fast charging simulation ensures the battery can safely accept high power rates.
On a rolling road dynamometer, the Tesla simulates real driving to test acceleration and braking.
Regenerative braking is evaluated to confirm it recovers and stores energy efficiently.
The steering system calibrates itself, ensuring accuracy and responsiveness. Hydraulic actuators apply weight and pressure to verify suspension stability.
Battery systems are stress tested to ensure cooling and output remain stable under demand.
Once all systems pass automated diagnostics, the vehicle moves to final inspection.
A vision field test ensures cameras accurately detect lanes, objects, and markers. HVAC systems are evaluated for heating, cooling, and overall air circulation. A robotic scanner inspects every seam and seal for structural integrity.
A 3D scanner captures the entire car to detect microscopic imperfections.
In a controlled chamber, the Tesla faces simulated road conditions, wind, rain, and rough terrain.
Aerodynamic resistance is tested to help improve efficiency and range. The cabin is pressure tested to ensure proper insulation and airflow.
Under high-intensity lighting, the paint is closely inspected for even the tiniest flaw.
Robotic buffers polish the exterior, giving the Tesla its glossy, showroom finish.
Automated systems precisely calibrate tire pressure for optimal performance. A robotic charger tests the port alignment to ensure a perfect connection every time. Buttons, switches, and controls are tested by a robotic actuator for reliability. The premium audio system is tuned using microphones and acoustic mapping tools. A final electronic health check confirms every system is functioning perfectly. Headlight beams are aligned to ensure maximum visibility without blinding others. All indicator lights are checked for correct timing, brightness, and functionality. Windshield wipers and washer systems are tested for speed, coverage, and consistency. Door locks and handles are tested for smooth operation and secure closure.
Power windows are tested for full range movement and safety sensors.
Side mirrors automatically adjust and fold to ensure optimal driver visibility. Wheels and tires are rotated virtually to simulate road conditions and check alignment.
Battery health is monitored in real time to ensure energy storage and performance are optimal.
Autopilot sensors are tested for lane keeping, adaptive cruise, and obstacle detection.
After rigorous testing, the Tesla is ready for delivery to customers worldwide.
Before leaving the factory, each Tesla receives a final cleaning and inspection.
Panels and paint finishes are checked for any imperfections before shipment. Tire pressure is calibrated to ensure optimal driving comfort and efficiency. The charging port cover is inspected for alignment and durability.
The interior is thoroughly cleaned and inspected to meet Tesla's high standards.
Latest software updates are installed, unlocking all features and performance improvements.
All sensors are calibrated to ensure peak autopilot accuracy.
Airbags, seat belts, and safety systems undergo a final simulation test.
All exterior lighting is tested to ensure perfect visibility and signaling.
Mirrors and cameras are tested for proper movement and image clarity.
Autopilot is tested one last time to ensure safe navigation and obstacle detection. Emergency braking is simulated to confirm responsiveness and safety.
All touchscreen controls and infotainment functions are verified for accuracy.
Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning are tested under extreme conditions.
Battery cycles are monitored to ensure full charge efficiency and health. A full diagnostic recap confirms the Tesla is 100% operational.
Final inspection ensures every exterior detail meets Tesla's high standards.
All necessary labels, including safety and operational information, are applied.
The finished Tesla is moved to the delivery area, ready for shipment.
After meticulous assembly and testing, the Tesla is officially delivery ready for its new owner. The Tesla is carefully loaded onto an automated transport trolley for shipment.
Protective covers are applied to preserve paint and panels during transit.
Each vehicle is inspected one last time before entering the loading area.
Wheels are locked in place to prevent movement during transport. Automated systems verify the safe route from assembly line to loading bay.
Each Tesla is scanned for inventory and tracking before leaving the factory.
The vehicle approaches the loading ramp with precision, guided by automated systems. Final safety checks ensure no obstacles block the vehicle's path.
The Tesla is securely fastened to the transport vehicle, ready for delivery.
The Tesla departs the factory, beginning its journey to the customer.
Tesla vehicles are tracked in real time during transport to ensure timely delivery.
Protective coverings shield the vehicle from weather and road debris.
Automated systems guide the truck safely out of the loading dock. Overhead cameras record the vehicle's condition before shipment. Lasers scan suspension and tire alignment for safety compliance during transit. Safety gates ensure the loading ramp is secure once the vehicle has departed. Logistics teams confirm the transport route and ensure safe and timely delivery.
The destination hub receives all necessary information to prepare for vehicle arrival.
Estimated time of arrival is calculated for smooth handoff to customers. The Tesla begins its journey, fully assembled and ready for the road. Simulated highway tests ensure the Tesla can handle long-distance transit safely. Sensors track vibrations to prevent potential damage during transport. The system adjusts the route in real time for efficiency and safety. Delivery teams prepare the hub to receive the Tesla safely. The Tesla is carefully offloaded, ready for inspection before handoff. A final inspection ensures no damage occurred during transit. Protective covers are removed, and the Tesla is polished for the customer.
The Tesla is activated and ready for the customer's first drive.
The vehicle is handed over, completing its journey from factory to owner.
The Tesla embarks on its first journey with its new owner, a perfect conclusion to the assembly process.